activities that you do, there are few tens of activities in each of this section, correct? In each of these topics, there are few, in each of this category there are few tens of implementations, right? So and all of these are purely to improve these three factors, right? So if people are searching or using those terms, they look for physical presence. See, look at this. I have found Contra Digital through this method only. Most of you have registered on Contra Digital using this method only.
So we can use for the sponsor list also.
Yes.
It's also
You
possible.
have to select search partners option in the Google Ads, and you can do this kind of listing. Okay. Okay. So now my question is, how do we build this kind of presence? First question. So how do we get your business listed on the Google like this? And second question, how do we make it show up in the top? See, these are not the only three companies located in HSR. There are so many of from across the Bangalore. But why is that only this is showing in the top when there are so many others, right? Or maybe digital marketing course in Bangalore.
First one, the based on the location.
Okay, so let's go one by one. Let's first understand how do we show the business on Google listings first of all. Forget about first or second or third or whatsoever it is. So what should you do in order to make a presence in Google Maps? Anybody knows here? No one knows how to get that kind of presence.
Through the Google Business.
How do you access? So just there is something like application you call whatever, it's a website. Okay, so from this place you can list your business on Google. Yeah, so from this place you can list your, just click on add a business, add single business. Okay, and you can start. So in order to make your presence on Google business, you need your business name, full name, a mobile number, website link. Website link is not compulsory, mobile number is also not compulsory. You need a description about your business, a short description, who you are, what you do, what kind of services you provide, and you can upload or update list of services that you provide. I'll show it to you all.
In this case, with the title, example, Andhra Digital from our institute. So within that, shall we add something keyword like
Yes, we have to. We had added, in fact, and again that got removed. I'll tell you. I'll explain you more about that as well.
uh,
We'll be discussing it in very detail about all these profiles.
uh,
So you need the previous screenshot as well. Correct. So we will discuss that why you have to put the keyword, what is the purpose or use, and how the benefits as well. And I think some of you here already will know how to submit a business on Google Maps. But anyways, we will discuss it. Okay. So after this second screen, what is needed is business name. So business name, later keyword optimization part is later. You can simply put your business name. Business name will be the actual name of your business or the name how people recognize your business. Digital marketers usually try to add the main target or business intent search terms as well along with the name to reap the maximum CTR. So it is just Canada Digital, but we are adding Digital Marketing Training Institute or Digital Marketing Institute by Canada Digital, right? Business category, the actual industry or category your business belongs to, usually the services provided for the service industry. Here, the actual category of the business. Business description, write about your business in your own words. Some 5 to 6 lines you can write about your business. Business location or address, you have to provide the address. Based on this address details you provide, it is going to pinpoint your location. Okay, and it is also going to allow you drag and drop the location, adjust the location which you are going to pinpoint, right? And then you have to provide details like business working hours, contact number, right? Amenities pertaining to your business, if the parking is available or not, Wi-Fi is available or not, water is available or not, busy hours. Busy hours is usually picked up by Google. You have to actually speak about the working hours, not busy hours. Okay, 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. or 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. and you have to also upload photos pertaining to your business, which is not compulsory, but it's good. Okay, so that's what I have written here. Not everything is compulsory, but having more details makes it more engaging and also gives you an additional mileage to show up quite often on the searches. See, now don't think that your work is done after submitting these details. It's as easy as you creating your Facebook profile or Instagram profile. Okay, but now the second part is approval or acceptance of your listing to show up on Google. Google follows some guidelines. Google tries to validate your existence, your business existence, your business details, whichever you are providing. Okay. So sometimes it might quickly accept your details and the listing goes live and people will start seeing that listing or you can find the listing. Okay. But in some other cases, if Google needs additional details to approve your listing, they would ask you for the incorporation certificate. They would ask you for the GST certificates. They ask you for the video proof. You have to live record the premises of your business, including your business board or hoarding. Okay, and most of the times they'll ask you for the photo proofs as well, both the inside and outside of your physical office or premises. Mobile and email OTP verification. So this is fine. Anyways, you must have provided an email ID and mobile number, and you will get the OTP. And the biggest thing is OTP to your physical address. Sometimes people list some random address next to their house or next to their office, some random address just to make sure that they are, and you finally found it. But Canada Digital is not listed on maps. You can just click on add a missing place and you can say that this is the Canada Digital place.
Ah. So in this scenario, who is the owner for that? Like under the
No, no owner, they have just contributed. But if you are doing it from your side, submitting details, you can claim that listing using an email ID and you can be the owner.
ah, ah. So it's part of
Okay. Okay. So, and it's quite easy. Again, you have to submit all the details that you submit for pertaining to the business. What are the advantages? So now outcome of listing it from mobile is, hello, are you all there? Everybody?
Yes.
Okay, because no one is speaking, I got it out. Okay, so outcome of listing it from mobile phones is business gets approved and might start showing up for the brand searches and to the queries related to your business. and not necessarily to its full potential. So you're just listing it, right? It's still not optimized. That's why it's not to its full potential. Okay, that's okay. Anyways, that's the same happens with every kind of listing. Okay, advantages of optimization of the business listing: more visibility or branding. Optimization of the business listing helps your business to show quite often on the searches happening from that location or proximity, or search it from other locations, this particular place where business is listed. So some of you from Chennai or from some other place have searched and still found this business listing. So optimization helps you to show up in many places, not only local proximities, but also from outside cities. Keyword coverage, it shows up for more search terms such as showing up for not only the brand but also to few other non-branded keywords like digital marketing training, digital marketing course, digital marketing institute. Cantra Digital is a brand name and non-branded is all other keywords. Traction and conversion rate improvement. The optimization also helps improve the traction or CTR or engagement for your listing, and this in turn helps improve your business conversion rates. So people must be interacting with your business already through Google Ads or through SEO. But when they see your Google business profile, optimized profile, which shows 5 out of 5 ratings or 5.4.5 and above ratings, and some reviews, good reviews, so the chances of they purchasing the product or service from you will be very high.
One
Okay,
thing trans
what is
CPR engagement and transaction.
traction? Traction is grabbing attention. Okay, organic traffic to the website. So from business listing, you can also drive organic traffic to the website. I'll show it to you how is that possible and what you can do for that. Okay. Okay. So when it is, so we told by optimizing your listing, you can benefit in all these possible ways, correct? What exactly you will be doing in optimization? What exactly should we be doing in the optimization? Google business listing, what is there much, right? But still, why are we telling optimization? What kind of optimization should we be doing?
Keyword.
Keywords.
So people search the
Where will you put these keywords?
maybe showing
Maybe.
any any in Google.
Okay. 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 Then what else?
Photos
Okay. Good.
and photos.
Good. Good. Correct. I'll explain now. Okay. So now you all know how search engines function, right? They consider three key parameter factors, correct? Crawl, stats, CTR, and engagement, correct? Here, let's assume crawling is not considered or it's considered, okay? But CTR and engagement still play a prominent role, even for Google business listing to be shown in the top, right? So now, when it comes to optimization, we address things like the title of the listing. The listing can be just Canva Digital, or the listing can be top digital marketing agency, correct?
Oh,
This will help improve the CTR. Not only CTR and the listing will rank for all those keywords which you have used in your title, correct? And you
so
must
is
have
the legally accepted
Google doesn't suggest to use a keyword like that. Okay, so sometimes it again returns back to Canva Digital only. I just now I showed you Digital Marketing Institute hyphen by Canva Digital. That is what we always put, and Google keeps reverting it. How Google reverts it, I'll tell you again. How Google reverts it and why Google reverts it, I'll tell that as well. Okay, but title can be optimized, and your description with the keywords, and your description should be pitching high about your business. That's what is going to engage your user. You need to have good number of reviews for your profile, and most of your ratings should be good. It shouldn't be like 1 star, 2 star, and your aggregate rating should not come less than 3 or less than 4. It has to be always above 4. In fact, it's suggested to have above 4.5 for better traction, for better engagement. Okay, you have to upload photos, and you should keep updating this photos section as well. Okay, and let me show you
description with keyword means this is also that
description.
with keyword is it
I'll
needed?
tell you. Yes, 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 it's needed. See now this is description. Okay. So here it is all speaking about agency. So the chances of it ranking for training will be very less. So we are expecting it to show up for training, but there is nothing here about the training. We'll change it right away. Okay. And you should be updating about your products. All these are about trainings, products. You see here different training programs and the prices of the training programs. Okay. You see there are reviews, 68 Google reviews, and it can be much bigger, and rating is 4.7. Photos, you should be publishing attractive photos, and regularly you should be doing the activity, right? And this is another interesting section called post section. See, 22 hours ago there was a post, 2 days ago there's a post, and if you're continuously posting and if there is activity performed, your listing will be considered to show up on the Google. Okay.
So we can add LinkedIn and Instagram business also.
No, 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 no. These are not added by you. Google automatically. See, Google is adding my profile to this. Google is automatically picking up. It's not added by us.
Oh, if I say any degree, so
Yeah, it is automatically picking it up. Not even same email ID. It's a different email ID.
different,
Okay. Premium web design development training. Okay. So we'll try to edit this. I'll try to change this as Digital Marketing Institute by Canva Digital, and I'll try to change this description also right away. Okay. Let's start writing it here. So I'm just writing something like this. Okay. See now if you look at this, the focus is for Digital Marketing Training Institute. Okay. So maybe we can write something like this: practical digital marketing skills at that.
so description also we have a keyword matrix.
That's why I'm writing it for all of you now.
We have multiple locations, but the same mobile number we can.
No problem. No problem. Not a problem. So character count also will understand. Okay, for now I'm just going to update this. Okay, I'm not going to write it in detail. So I'll show it to you where to edit and how to edit this listing. Just come back to your business.google.com. You look at this how this was listed Digital Marketing Institute by Canra Digital. But how it got changed. The signals to Google indicating that it is referred or called as just Canra Digital. If people are putting Canra Digital Marketing Institute by Canra Digital, and if they are driving to our location, so Google thinks, okay, the name itself is like that and it retains it. Okay, so click on edit profile. I'll show it to you. So after submitting or creating, you'll have, so exactly this is what you do. You submit all these kinds of details. So Digital Marketing Institute, I'll again put it as Digital Marketing by Canva Digital. So it takes some time to approve it or may not approve also. Okay. Description.
If in case we have a
Yeah.
multiple branches, in that scenario,
Mm.
I need to post, if I'm giving a post for the particular location, means for the same post, I can be placed for the other location also.
Yes.
It will be fine.
That should be fine. But having it different will be actually good.
Oh,
See, posts are like actually updates regarding that particular business. If you want to update that you are running a class tomorrow, you can update it in all the listings
oh,
because that's applicable to all the institute. Let's assume at all the physical sectors you are performing some activity, same activity. You can publish it. It's all about that. Nothing will happen.
oh. So
Okay. Yeah.
topic content, so it's not really.
No problem. No problem. Not a problem. Can't save edit. Try again later. I don't know why. It has shown here only if there was any character limit. 750. Yeah, 750. AI is generating the description for us, a better description.
Generated by AI.
Yeah. So you can use it or try again. No, I'll just close it. Let it be what I have written. Just click on save.
We can add multiple
We can add.
for nearest area also.
Yeah, services where all you provide services. We provide it in HSR layout only. So just HSR layout back to Karnataka. So see, the people must have suggested Canva Digital or something. It shows up. There is a suggestion. You have to click on accept here. I don't know where it is suggested now. If I find anything as such, I may have to click on accept and then proceed further. We'll see.
Location showing any number of in address it's showing any door number.
This is all correct.
The name or key.
This button is not at all working for me, but maybe I'll change it later. We'll see. I'm not sure. Okay. Anyways, we'll explore a couple of other details pertaining to the business. Okay. So edit profile we have already seen. For some reason it's not happening. Maybe I'll try it with a different computer or changing my internet connection. Okay. So this is the section where you can read your reviews. See, if you log in to the browser, okay, from which you have created the business account. The business account is created by clients at the rate. So actually, clients at the rate Canva Digital is not the original account. That's the reason it's not accepting the changes. The original account is different. The original account is different through which we have created the listing. That's realized. Okay. So, anyways, okay. So now coming to the you can reply to the reviews from this section. Okay, look at this. See, now you can click on the replay and you can reply to the reviews and get more reviews. Will give you a short link which section you apps, the Google Maps apps with Canva Digital. Some of them whomsoever have inquired, what are your hours? So we haven't replied it. Okay, so if you are not replying, we will not get the business. So we have to be active and we should reply to the businesses. So many people have sent messages on the Google business listing. So you should be responding immediately. And this is the section from which you manage photos pertaining to your business. You can delete them or you can add more photos from this section. Okay. Okay. So you have seen these products, right? These products are submitted from this section. See, adding all these products will help your business to achieve perform well. Basically, makes your business profile to perform well. So all this also have to be changed to different services, which I'll be doing it from the main parent account. Services were changed based on the feedback from Google users or other sources. Review these published updates to make sure they are accurate. See, we are accepting the changes which are coming from the users. People who are browsing with this business listing have suggested your edit is pending review. It may take up to one day to get published. See, after accepting that, it says your changes are pending for review. So bookings mainly this is useful for companies which are like hotels or resorts. So they'll have the link listings on booking.com, make my trip. So they can update all of them here with the details. And bookings can happen, add a link and bookings can happen on those portals through Google Business Profile.
So in our the training institute, we can't do
Events, you can add events, dates. I'll show it to you that as well. Okay. So add update, here you will see events. So add update, it's like social media, you post some posts right regularly, you can post something like that. Add offer and add event. Add event, you can add the photos. Event title, a digital marketing training, start date April 5th, start time 10 a.m, end date, end time optional, event details. This is the full-fledged digital marketing course happening on so and so date. So adding all this will help perform your business listing further.
no.
Okay, so if you're a training institute, you can add all of these things and have a button like call now, sign up now, order now, book now, all these buttons. Yeah,
Call now means automatically
it gives the call. Okay, and ask for review, it simply gives you a link, the short link. Okay, so now you have put so much effort in optimizing all these business listings, right? So now, is that really going to be useful for you?
yes.
Will that really help? How do you understand that it's going to be useful or helping you?
First of all, it's free market. Okay. Uh, Free cost, free of marketing.
Yeah, you're not paying anything for this, you're doing it for free, but then you are investing in a resource.
Correct.
You have to invest your time or you have to hire a digital marketer, and you have put so much effort. My question is now, how do you understand if this effort is paying off?
You will get the lead and then you
Leads.
promote.
Okay.
If the people, those who are in nearest our area, they will, our listing will show that people also. So we will get a quality lead and a relevant lead, and it may be converted as a sale also.
Okay. So, see, all this, the beauty with this digital marketing or digital marketing platforms is all these platforms help you understand what's happening with your efforts, with your implementations. Okay. Same way, this platform or profile also allows you to understand what's happening with your effort. This particular section called performance. Okay. See, you get to see how many people are interacting with your businesses. So in the last 6 months, 654 people, that is on an average, 110 people have interacted every month with the business. What kind of interactions are they doing? The segregation of the same can be seen further. Calls. So 20 people are calling after seeing this business listing, right? So despite having the wrong details, all the business listing is about services. We provide the SEO service, digital marketing service, creative service. There are content writing. There are so many services mentioned over there, and despite that, we get calls for, or inquiries for trainings. Okay, messages in the last 6 months only eight. Not too many people are interacting. Our messaging could be turned off. The bookings doesn't apply, and how many people are checking the directions or driving to the locations. Okay, so this particular month 82, and in the month of March it's just 42, right? So this business profile is also helping you to get some clicks to your website. Look at this, 191 people have visited the website from Google Business Profile. How are they visiting? Look at this here. You have the button website, and by clicking on this, people are visiting your website. Okay, and now this also helps you to understand for what kind of keywords your business listing is showing up on the Google, and For what kind of searches? Mobile searches. See, Google search mobile. So 61% of the times the business is shown on searches. That is 5,167 impressions. Totally 8,415 people have seen your business on Google. How are they visiting? Of which 60 percentage are visiting from the mobile phone, 28 percentage are from desktop, and another 8 percentage are visiting from Google Maps on mobile phone, and 2 percentage from Google Maps on desktop. All of your phones has Google Maps as well, right?
Yes.
It's very rare that people go to maps and search Canara Digital. People simply Google it, and most of those searches are from mobile, 60 percentage, and another 30 percentage is from desktop. Remaining 10 percentage is Google Maps from mobile and desktop. And for what kind of keywords is this ranking? Digital marketing course in Bangalore, digital marketing course in Bangalore, digital marketing course near me. You see the breakdown of the searches for Canara Digital, Digital Marketing Institute by Canara Digital, digital marketing course in HSR layout, right? Affiliate marketing workshop, best institute for digital marketing in Bangalore, digital market course near me. Okay, digital marketing with AI course. Are you all getting it? This business listing is actually not optimized properly, and still it's getting a traction. Let's try editing it here and see if that accepts. I think it's already accepted. Let's see. Let's click on edit and see if it is. So this is a different profile, Canva digital email ID, through which we have created the business profile.
For here also, the advertise is showing.
Sorry.
For here also, the advertise option is showing.
Yes.
So if you are in here means it will be
Your Google Ads. Okay, Digital Marketing Institute by Canva Digital. Okay, this is also has been accepted but pending for review, I guess. I don't know. Here also it's the same problem. Okay, I'll look into this later. Okay. So you all understood about the Google business profile, right?
yes.
See, this Google profile plays a crucial role or gives a very good support to your website to rank on Google easily also. Okay. And same way, if you are linking your website with your Google business profile, website in return helps this business listing also to show up for all the relevant keywords like this.
Mm.
They support mutually support each other. That's why your business listing has to be linked with your website should be linked with your Google business profile. They support mutually each other. This kind of linking helps websites to rank organically very well on Google, and websites will in return support this business profile to show up for many other related keywords. Okay, did you all get that? Okay, so looks like it's accepted already. It's showing Digital Marketing Institute by Canva Digital. Okay. Okay. So now, why I had to tell this is going to support the website mutual is Google for all the local searches, for all the nearby places. So if people are searching digital marketing training from Bangalore, this website will show up for people in Bangalore,
Oh,
right? So there are other optimizations for the website to improve the local performance of the website. Okay. So very simple optimizations which are least addressed, which are least practiced. Okay, so one of them could be happening commonly, and another one is people will never think of it. That is adding longitude on latitude, adding longitude and latitude on the web page. Okay, so let's say this web page is saying that Digital Marketing Training Institute into tag this particular place, meta, location, latitude and longitude. I'll show it to you. Like temple, like Qutub Minar, a monument which is always fixed at one place. Right now we are sitting at one place, all of us, and for the place that which we are sitting has a longitude and latitude on this globe. Correct? That will have some points. I'll show you how to identify that also. And if you could add that part on your web page, search engines understand. Okay, so that's a physical business or located in that place, and it starts showing up. Yeah, SEO implementations. One is adding meta name, geo position, content, longitude, and latitude. How do we know this longitude and latitude? Let's look at this.
so what we need to do is that we need to add the keyword to our web page.
Not that's not keyword. That's longitude and latitude of your business. So now, you see here, 12.921118. This is longitude and this is latitude. So if you are adding this meta tag on your website with this longitude and latitude, it's going to educate Google bot that this is a physical business. See, more the convenience created for bots to understand better about your business, better the performance, right? If something is being explained easily to you, the chances of you remembering it will be very high, correct?
And each position we need to add this one latitude.
So you have to add it on your web page.
Even if we have a multiple branches also from this.
So respective. So you have one, let's say, one branch in Anna Nagar, and you will add it on Anna Nagar page. One in T Nagar, there will be a T Nagar page. On the T Nagar page, you will have T Nagar longitude and latitude. Anna Nagar longitude and latitude. Okay. MGR Nagar longitude and latitude, whatsoever it is. Okay. And this is most commonly used practice on the HTML page. So you are indicating there will be a tag, language tag, something like this. HTML language. At start of the web page itself, people write HTML language English, but the web page can be in Hindi, in Kannada, in Tamil, in Telugu, in Malayalam, in French, in correct, in Germany, in Spanish, in Chinese. Right now, when you put language equal to Hindi, so it is local language. Language equal to French. It's a local language pertaining to a specific country or a region. Correct? So that way search engines easily understand, okay, so this has got the local affinity and local performance will improve. It gives more priority for the local businesses. I mean, like rankings in those locations will automatically improve. Okay, and local SEO also comprises you submitting your business on local directories, Bangalore directory or HSR directory or a directory specific to certain kinds of businesses, right? That kind of submissions is also part of local SEO. Okay, so now look at this. If you observe this, the performance of Google business listing is coming down. So every day they used to get 20 calls, now it has come down to 5 calls a day, let's assume. So what could be the reason for this?
Maybe Google, it's not showing our,
Why is it not showing?
we are not updated properly, or we have done some mistakes.
Simple. If it is not showing properly, the crawl for the CTR and engagement would have dropped for your listing. So when will CTR and engagement drop? Here we are discussing them. Reasons for drop in interactions or calls or directions or overall performance of your Google business listing. The reasons are not performing the activities regularly on the business listing such as posts, product updates, image updates. So if you own a business listing, you should be performing activities regularly on the business listing in order to enhance the performance of the listing. Okay. So not getting the reviews to the listing, you should keep getting the reviews for your business listing and make sure that even these reviews has keywords in it. Having negative reviews and low ratings will impact. Rating drop from 5 to 4.5, automatically the interest will come down for people to click on it. CTR has a drop. Now automatically Google pushes it down. If Google is pushing it down, automatically it gets less tractions, interactions, calls, phones, everything. Not responding to customer messages immediately by the business page manager can also impact the performance of the listing. An impacted website can also impact the performance of the business listing. Now look at this. Here you have linked the website. Where is it?
Maybe in the website.
Yeah. So now I showed you all of you that you can link your website with the Google business listing, correct? So in those cases, if something goes wrong, right? So it's something like this. If you're associated with a person, if suddenly that person commits a crime, people will think you also a criminal. There are chances, right? Oh, even this person must be something like. See, if something goes wrong with your this website, automatically this business profile also will drop, because we know that when you link this website to this business listing based on the keywords used on the with your Google business listing, the performance of your website, there are chances that the website of performance also can come down if your business is mostly a local business. The brand searches must have dropped. I must be doing TV ads, radio ads, and people must be searching Canada Digital, Canada Digital, Canada Digital always. And now in recent months, I must have stopped that activity, and hence the brand searches would have come down. The searches of the keywords for which the listing pops up must have also dropped. So during summer, let's assume nobody is interested in taking up digital marketing trainings. Naturally, searches will drop, right? After July, the searches for mango also might drop, correct? Mango season is between May to July, or March. It starts from March only. March, April, May, June, 4 months full season. The listing might have disappeared its presence for various keywords for following above reasons that which we have discussed. It stopped ranking for many keywords for one of the above reasons. Linking to wrong website or not linking to the website also can impact. Wrong numbers on the listing or not responding to the calls can also impact. Simply sometimes competitors may have taken over. So now let's say you are the only digital marketing institute in HSR. Suddenly some 2 3 companies also will start digital marketing training in HSR. Now when somebody searches digital marketing institute in HSR, they also will show up and they will take some amount of share, correct?
Correct.
That way also your performance will come down. Change of the office location or change of physical address of the business can also impact. Okay, so you all understood, right, guys? How to create a business listing, how to optimize, how to make sure the performance doesn't go down, or how to improve the performance of the listing, correct?
Yeah.
And you also understood some of the local SEO implementations such as the SEO tags, geo tag, geo position, longitude, latitude tag,
So we can take this code and then place
with on the respective web pages. This the same thing you cannot place on all the web pages. If you are speaking about Qutub Minar, place this code on Qutub Minar page and put the Qutub Minar's longitude and latitude. And if you have a Taj Mahal page, place this code on Taj Mahal page and get the longitudes and latitudes of Taj Mahal and put longitude and latitude of Taj Mahal. Okay? Did you all get that? This is all about local SEO. Okay, so and this is super important for local businesses. I told you which are the local business, training institutes, restaurants, pubs, saloons, and number. You will be able to identify all of them by yourself.
Yes.
Correct?
Correct. In line graph, it's showing for language English, right?
Yeah.
So if in case I'm in local location, if it's, I'm in Tamil Nadu. So
You are in Tamil Nadu, but language of the page is in English, right?
So if in case the Tamil language means
Tamil. You have to put Tamil.
So sometimes we are publishing the character in Tamil language.
In that case, you can put Tamil.
So it will be give some advantage.
Advantage. See, if you are giving information upfront to bots, helping them to understand easily, the chances of they considering crawling your web page or showing up your web page will be also very high.
But we can use only one language. If in case we are using the dual language, we can.
Why will you use dual language? It will be only Tamil or English, right?
Sometimes, like a question paper, it's showing for in TNPSC, it's showing for two languages. First one is English language, again next one is Tamil. So it's a general pattern in the TNPSC.
I think you have to use it only
Once.
Okay. Anybody has questions with regard to this? And if you are a business, you should start focusing more on this. Like whatever we have discussed, getting more reviews, publishing content regularly, updating the products and services, right? Photos upload regularly, posts update regularly, publish the events if you're a training company. You see, being the agency, even we are not doing it. We are busy with our client projects.
Okay.
And even we are not doing all of this, despite explaining all of this to you all. And you know, I told to so many companies register your business on Clutch, which we have done few days back, and we have not registered it since so many years. We are getting business from references, and we never felt like, okay, let's do that, let's do this, nothing like that.
Actually, I searched in Google. I got a number from Google My Business only for contract. After that, only
so you must have called many other training institutes also, but since you
satisfied the.
I don't know what satisfied it. Maybe could be pricing, or
Not
maybe
for the pricing, because some of the people give the better price also.
20,000.
The thing is, I'm satisfied with your counseling. Because to be frank, we also have a counseling team. But if in case if my manager, my general manager gives the counseling, comparatively for the counseling team or something, he gives some better.
Correct. That's true. That's why I only speak. Okay. So everybody, guys. So is it clear for all of you? So if no one has questions, we'll wind it up for today. Okay. Well, maybe probably we can start with performance marketing or social media from the coming classes. So tomorrow is holiday, everybody. So if all of you want a class, maybe we can plan it.
No, I'm available for tomorrow.
Not just about you, let people put it on the group. So tomorrow is a national holiday, so we cannot really force. So some of them want the holiday to be celebrated. Okay, we don't know, but if everybody thinks that's fine to have a class tomorrow, we'll do a class. If not, we'll not have the class. So on the WhatsApp group, everybody, so create one of you create a poll. Tomorrow is a national holiday. Should we still have the class or not? Poll, yes, no, that's all. And we'll see. Yeah? Okay?